Hello everyone. So these questions were taken from Matrix and Determinant. So in the last video we done question number 1 and 2. Now we are going to do question number 3. You can see here question number 3, which is very important and you will score 5 marks. This question number 3 asked in 2076. Set B, question number 11, and this type of question you will get in question number 11 only. So you can see there 1A BC, 1B CA, 1C AB is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. We have to prove. So first of all we have to take LHS. So I wrote here already question. Now let's take LHS. I will show the tricks how to find out this RHS. So take LHS here, 1A BC, similarly here 1B CA, 1C AB. Now look at RHS. Here what we need, A minus B. How to find out here A minus B? When you subtract this first row and second row, when you subtract this row, we will get here A minus B. When you take this B here, it will be A minus B. 1 minus 1 0. After that B minus C. It means you have to subtract second row and third row. When you subtract this two row, second row and third row, we will get here B minus C. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to apply R1 tends to R1 minus R2 and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. So here we have to write applying R1 tends to R1 minus R2 and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Okay, up to here. Now this and this we have to subtract. 1 minus 1, when you subtract this R1 minus R2, so what we have to write, A minus B. When you subtract this 2, what we have to write, BC minus CA. Hope you understand up to here. R1 tends to new R1 will be R1 minus R2. Okay, subtraction of R1 minus R2. Similarly, R2 tends to R2 minus R3. To make new R2 second row, we have to subtract R3 from R2. So again same, this 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1, again B minus C. Why we done like this? To get RHS, because here is A minus B and B minus C. So A minus B, B minus C, C minus A we will get at last itself. Okay, do not worry about that. Now this to subtract, so we can write here CA minus AB, and last one we have to write down same. This no need to change, AB. Okay, now let's do it here. Solve it. 1 minus 1 0, here A minus B. Now here what we can take common, look at properly here. What is the common here? C is the common, so let's take minus C common. When you take minus C common, what is remaining then? We can write here A minus B. Yes, I will show you. When you take minus C common, what we can write here, A minus B we have to write. Why to do like this? Because here is A minus B, here also we need A minus B to take common. And why to take minus common? Because here A is in negative. Now when you multiply this two, actually I will show you here, look at here properly. BC minus CA, when you take here common C, what is remaining? B minus A. Now when you interchange this two, what we have to do? We have to take common, minus common we have to take, and we can interchange this one, A minus B. So we done from here to here directly. So when you multiply minus C into A, minus CA, minus minus plus B into C, BC. Okay, or you can do step by step also. If you don't understand this one directly, then you first take C common and again interchange to make this two same. So we can take A minus B common. Okay, now here also we have to do same. 0. After that what we have to write here, B minus C, and here what we can take common, minus A we can take common. So what is remaining? B minus C, and last one we have to write on same. Here 1, here C, and here AB. Okay, what we done here, taking leave it this one. Now let's take common. So we have to write here taking common. Now from first row we have to take A minus B common. Here 0 or A minus 0 into A minus B, same thing. So taking common A minus B from where? From R1, and B minus C from R2. From R2 we have to take B minus C common. Okay, now take common here, A minus B and B minus C. What is remaining now? here 0, so 0. A minus B already common taken, here remaining 1. Here A minus B already taken, from first row we took A minus B common, here remaining minus C, so write minus C. From here what we took, from second row we took, from R2 what we took common, B minus C, so here 0 means 0 only. From here B minus C common, so 1. From here B minus C common, so minus A. And third row we have to write down same to same, 1 C and here AB. Hope you understand up to here. Now we have to expand C1. Now look at properly here how to do. Here two elements, what happened here, two elements 0, so we have to find out the determinant of 1. There is a property, when two elements 0 we have to take 1 and find out the determinant. Okay, A minus B, B minus C. Now expand along this one. So first positive, then negative, then again positive. You have to clear about that. First element always positive, then negative, then positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So this one will be positive, so we have to write down here 1. And what are the minors of 1? We have to take this minor of 1. Minor of 1 means 1 lies here, this one, so row and column no need to take. This one is column and this one is row, no need to take. Another 4 elements we have to take, 1 minus C, 1 minus A. These are the minors. Okay, now multiply, find out the determinant. B minus C, 1 no need to write, and this one 1 into minus A, minus from formula, minus C into 1, minus plus, so plus C. So we can interchange, positive first, negative back. So A minus B, B minus C, and here C minus A. What we have to prove here, A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. We got here A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. At last we have to write down RHS proved. Hope you understand this question. Now look at question number 4. You can see here in question number 4, which is asked in 2076, said B question number 11. So here given LHS and RHS, let's take LHS and we have to prove x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. This question number 3 is similar like question, this question number 4 is similar like question number 3. So let's take a start. Let's take LHS first of all. Taking LHS in number 4. Here we can write 1 x, x square, 1 y, y square, 1 z, z square. Okay, now here we have to prove x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Means we have to subtract this two, means first row and second row. How to get x minus y? We have to subtract this two. When you subtract this two, it means whole row we have to subtract, not only these two elements, whole row we have to subtract. Okay, next y minus z. When you subtract y and z, when you subtract we get y minus z, but whole second row and third row we have to subtract to get y minus z. Okay, in same way we have to do now. So here you can do a little bit direct also, or you can do step by step also. 1 minus 1 x minus y, x square minus y square. Similarly here also 1 minus 1 y minus z, and here y square minus z square. Similar here we have to write 1 z, z square. This no need to do anything. Third row no need to do anything. What we done here, applying, what applying here, apply, and you applying R1. For R1 what we done, R1 minus R2. Same process we done in question number 3. So here I am doing little bit fast. Okay, R2. For R2 what we done, R2 minus R3. Okay, now when you subtract we get here 0. So 0 x minus y, and here we can use formula a square minus b square formula. So x plus y, x minus y, we can write in this way. After that here 0 y minus z, here y plus z, y minus z. After that here 1 z, z square. Okay, now you can see here also x minus y, here also x minus y, so we can take x minus y common. Here y minus z, here also y minus z, so we can take y minus z also common. So we can write here x minus y common and y minus z common. So when you take x minus y common from first row, what is remaining? 0 means 0 only. Here when you took common, remaining 1. Here x minus y common, so what is remaining? X plus y, so write down x plus y. Similarly, from second row we took y minus z common, so 0 here, so 0 only write. Here y minus z common, so remaining 1. Here y minus z common, so remaining y plus z. Okay, up to here. After that, third one we have to write down same to same. I hope you know the properties of determinant. Okay, now what we write here? Taking common, taking x minus y, taking common right on here, taking common x minus y from R1 and y minus z from R2. From R1 we took x minus y common, and from R2 we took y minus z common. Okay, now if you know the properties of determinant, then you can understand here. When two elements 0, we can take another third elements. When two elements 0, we can take if in rows 2 elements 0, then we have to take third one. If column 2 elements 0, we have to take another third one. This one you can see here, first column. In first column 2 elements 0, so we can take here 1, and first one is positive, then negative, then positive. If here 1, then we have to write minus here. Now if you take 1, what are the minors of 1? Minors of 1 means this 4 elements. This 1 is here, so row of this one and column of this one no need to take. This row and this column no need to take. Other 4 elements we have to write down. 1 x plus y, 1 y plus z. Okay, up to here. Now x minus y, y minus z, and here let's multiply. Find out the determinant. This to multiply, when you find out the determinant, we have to multiply the main diagonal. When you multiply this to, what we write? Y plus z minus non-diagonal. This to multiply, so x minus y. Okay, now you can see here y and y cancel, so what is remaining here? X minus y, y minus z, and here z minus x. What we have to prove here, you can see in question number 4, we have to prove x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x, which is here. Hope you understand this question. At last, write down RHS proof. If you understand, please hit the like button. New Nunsavane, please subscribe, and please share with your friends too. Thanks for watching till last. Keep supporting and keep sharing, and we will continue question number 5, 6, 7 in next video too. Thank you.